Good morning, students. Today I will explain the chapter World Environment Day. Each one plant one means each one of us should plant one tree in our life. Save the environment by planting more trees, and we should save our environment by planting more and more trees. Read why we celebrate World Environment Day. Now in this chapter we will read that why we celebrate World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated world over on 5th June 5 to spread awareness on environmental issues. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June all over the world. Why? Just to spread awareness on environmental issues. On World Environment Day this year, let all of us examine the state of our environment. हमें ये एग्जामिन करना है कि हमारे प्रदेश में या हमारे देश में इन्वायरमेंट की क्या कंडीशन है. लेट अस कंसिडर केयरफुली द एक्शन which each of must take and then address ourselves to our common goal of preserving all life on earth. Then we will consider that what action we are taking to preserve our environment, and then we should promise ourselves that we will preserve means we will conserve our all the life on earth. Let us reduce our greenhouse gas emissions to help prevent global warming. Then we should reduce greenhouse gas means we should reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and methane to help prevent global warming, and it will help in preventing the global warming. Then in consonance with this year's theme for World Environment Day, let us plant more and more trees and protect our forest to lock greenhouse gases, reduce pollution, preserve our soil and water resources, and conserve biodiversity. So this year, what we should do, we should plant more and more trees, and we should protect our forest, and we should try to lock greenhouse gases. We should try to uh, uh, avoid to lock the greenhouse gases, and we should reduce pollution, make less and less pollution. Then we should take steps to uh, preserve our soil and water resources, because if our soil is not preserved, then we will not get good crops, and if we will not save our water, then we will be in problem after some years. And conserve biodiversity. Biodiversity means all the plants and animals. So we should conserve our biodiversity. Then we must cut down energy consumptions, particularly from fossil fuel, to reduce carbon dioxide emission into atmosphere. Then we should not use fossil fuel for making our food or making for other purposes. Fossil fuel means using coal and using using coal and wood, and all these create carbon dioxide in the environment. We must make a wiser and sustainable use of wood, water and other natural resources to maintain healthy environment around us. Then we should use water, wood and other resources wisely. Why wisely? To maintain healthy environment around us. Then let us prefer the use of renewable resources of energy like hydroelectric power, wind and solar energy to cut down greenhouse gas emissions. Then we should use renewable sources of energy means those resources that can be used again and again, that are not uh, that that are that can't be run out. So if we use hydroelectric power, and there is we have sufficient amount of water on earth, and we should use we can produce electricity by water, so we should use hydroelectric power. Then wind and solar, these are all natural energies, and we should use more and more of these. and we should cut down greenhouse gas emissions. Then preserve, protect and improve environment by planting trees and protecting forest. And we can, by planting more and more trees, we can protect our forest, and we can preserve, conserve, protect, and we can improve our environment. We must finally say no to polythene bags before it is too late. And now it's high time that we should say no to polythene bags, because they are not good for our environment. Then let us replace light bulbs in a house with fluorescent tubes to save energy. Now instead of using bulbs in a home, we should use fluorescent tubes, and fluorescent tubes save our energy. So I hope students, you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.